Hello, in this lesson, can we learn how to find the perimeter of a rectangle? And as we said in previous lessons, perimeter is the total distance around a shape. And in this case, the shape we are talking about is a rectangle. So, the total perimeter or the perimeter of this rectangle is given by the addition of four sides, which you can say that A plus that B plus that A again, then plus that B. But as you note, two opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Like in this case, this side here, which is opposite to this one, they're equal. And then this side here, which is opposite to this one, they are also equal. That's why you named them as A and then BB, because they are equal. But then this one you can also name it as the length of the rectangle, and this one is the width of the rectangle. So this becomes L and this W. But whatever you name it has no problem. For as long as you know opposite sides are equal, from there you can find the perimeter. So perimeter P is given by, I can just say A plus A, because there are two sides which are equal, this one plus this one, then B plus B, then plus B plus B, like that. But you see, this A plus A will be 2A, then plus B will be 2B, like this. So then it becomes 2A plus 2B. That's why you see here I say the perimeter is given by 2A plus 2B. In the same way, if we put here L as the length and here W as the width, then it will be perimeter P will be given by 2L plus 2W, like that. But you see also these two is common, either we use MB or we use length and width. So I can also say perimeter P is given by twice into A plus B, like that. Or perimeter P is given by twice into length plus width. Whatever method you choose to use is just the same. So from there, can we try an example? We are told in this example, a rectangle has sides labeled as A and B. Side A is 12 centimeter and side B is 7 centimeter. Then find the perimeter. So we all know side A of that rectangle is 12 centimeter, which is the length. Then side B is 7 centimeter, I think. So yes, 7 centimeter, which is the width. Then find the perimeter. But we already know perimeter P is given by twice into A plus B, like that. So I can say the perimeter P is equals to twice into 12 plus 7, like that, which now becomes 12 plus 7 is 19. So it becomes twice into 19, which is 38 centimeters. And that becomes the perimeter of this triangle here. If we do the same with length, twice into length plus width, it will still be the same, because it will be twice into length. We already know length is 12, then plus twice into width, but we know width is 7. So it will be 2 multiplied by 12, which is 24, plus 2 multiplied by 7, which is 14. So it will be 24 plus 14, which is still 38 centimeters. Then, with that, can we try another example? Sometimes you can be given the sides of the rectangle in algebraic form. So, for example, in this case, you are told a rectangle has sides labeled as A and B, where A is x plus 4, then B is 2x minus 1. Then you are told find an expression for the perimeter in terms of x. So, since we have A, I can just copy it here. A is x plus 4, then B is 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1 like this. But you see, we said perimeter P is given by twice into A plus B, like that. So, from this one, you can just say this twice into, I already know here is x plus 4, then plus B, and B is 2x minus 1, like this. So, from there I can say this twice into x plus 4, I group the like terms together here, so it will be x plus 2x, and just move to this 2x here, then plus 4, this 4 here, then minus this 1 here, like that. So now it becomes twice into x plus 2x is 3x, then plus this 4 minus 1 is just 3, like that. So now I open the brackets, and opening the brackets means I multiply each of the values inside these brackets with these 2 here. So it becomes 2. Let me just copy it here. First, 2 plus 3, it will be 2 multiplied by 3x, it will be 6x, then plus 2 multiplied by this 3, which is 6, and that becomes the perimeter P. It's equals to 6x plus 6 of that rectangle, because you are told to give it as an expression of x. So, can we try another example where there is a missing side? We see if we can get that missing side. So here you are told the perimeter of a rectangle is 30 centimeters. So first, we are given the P. Let me first of all clear this board so that we are not allowed to mess us up. So we are told the perimeter P is given by 30 centimeters. Then one side is 8 centimeters. We can call that one side as hair. Then you are told to find the length of the other side. So if we know one side, which you can just call it 10, is 8 centimeters. Then we ask to find B, which is the other side we don't know. So from there, you already know perimeter P of a rectangle is given by twice into A plus B, like that. So from there, we already have the perimeter, which is 30 centimeters is equals to twice into A is 8 plus B, but we don't have a B, so we just put the variable B there. So now it becomes 30 is equals to open these brackets, we need to multiply everything inside the brackets with these 2. So it becomes 2 multiplied by 8, which is 16, then plus 2 multiplied by B, which is 2B, like that. Then from there, we move this 16 on the other side, so it becomes 30 minus 16, because here it was positive. When it moves to the other side of the equal sign, it becomes negative, is equals to 2B. 2B remains on this side. So 30 minus 16 is 14, so it's equals to 2B. But you see, this 2B is kind of like the combination of this side and this side, but as we are just interested with just one side like this, so to get that one side, we need to divide both sides by 2, like this, and now we have our B is equals to 14 divided by 2 is 7, we have 2 by 2 is 1, so our B is 7 centimeters. And if you take 7 centimeters as B, and we say the formula is twice into A plus B, let's see, twice into A which was 8 plus B, which is now 7, we see if we get our total perimeter as 30. So here, 8 plus 7 is 15, and then 15, 2 multiplied by 15, is 30 centimeters, which is our original perimeter. So that's how we find the perimeter of a rectangle. If you have any question or there is a place you did not understand, you can ask me on the comment section. I'll try to answer to my level best. And bye for now. Let us meet in the next lesson.